Why you should not use Amazon KDP? Well, to find out, watch this video. First off, let's say we are hearing Amazon KDP for the first time. What is Amazon KDP? Well, to understand the platform, you need to be a writer, author, or perhaps a reader. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as Amazon KDP, is a great platform for self-publishing that allows authors, publishers and other content creators to publish their books, magazines, comics and other content on the Amazon Kindle platform and make them available for purchase or download by millions of readers around the world. Amazon Kindle also offers a number of tools and resources to help authors format, publish, and promote their books, including Kindle Create, Kindle Direct Publish and Kindle Direct Publishing Select. With Amazon KDP, authors can easily upload and format their book files, set a price and earn royalties up to 70% of the list price. The author also enroll in the Kindle Unlimited and Kindle Owners Lending Library programs, which can help increase visibility and sales for their books. Secret and unknown facts about the KDP platform. One secret fact about KDP is that you can use it to publish not just ebooks, but also audiobooks through ACX Audiobook Creation Exchange, which is a platform to connect authors with narrators, studios and engineers to produce audiobooks. Right now, I want you to click the subscribe button and like this video if you have learned something new. Another secret fact is that the KDP has a program called KDP Select, which allows authors to offer their books for free for a certain periods of time and also participate in a program called Kindle Unlimited, which allow readers to read as many books as they want for a monthly fee, and authors get paid by the number of books read. Amazon KDP also has a feature called Look Inside that allows readers to preview a book before purchasing it, which can help increase visibility and sales for the book. Another secret on the KDP platform is that KDP allows authors to make updates to their ebooks even after they have been published. This is useful for correcting errors or making changes based on feedback from readers. Another secret you don't know is that Amazon KDP also offers the option for authors to enroll in the KDP Countdown Deal program, which allows authors to offer their books at a discount price for a limited periods of time. Comment if there is a secret you know or unpopular facts about the KDP platform I left out in the comments section. As a bonus, another secret I will reveal is that the KDP platform has a feature called KDP Reports, which provides authors with detailed sales and royalties data, including information about how many books have been sold, where they were sold to, and how much the author has earned. Moving on to the negative aspect of using Amazon KDP. These are the reasons why you shouldn't use Amazon KDP as an author. 1. Low royalties. KDP authors typically earn royalties of 35 to 70% of the list price for their ebooks, which can be a lot lower than what authors would earn if they sold their books online. Number 2. Limited pricing. Amazon sets the price for ebooks on its platform, which means authors have little control over how much their books were sold for. Amazon has a strict rule when it comes to pricing. Amazon's algorithm is to keep the price competitive, and it also has a limit of how much discount an authors can give when running promotional campaigns, which makes it harder for authors to increase book visibility. 3. Amazon's algorithm. The algorithm that Amazon uses to recommend books to customers can be unpredictable, which makes it difficult for authors to gain visibility and sales on the platform. In fact, the only way to make money from the algorithm is by paying money for advertisement. 4. Distribution is limited. KDP books are only available for purchase on Amazon, which limits the potential audience for an author. This means that you will not be able to sell your books on other platforms such as Barnes & Noble, Apple Books and other independent bookstores. This will limit the potential audience for your book and makes it more difficult to get sales. The KDP books can be read on any device with the free reading app, which is available for iOS, Android and other platforms. Number 5. Too much competition. With so many books available on the platform, it can be challenging for an author to stand out and attract readers. 6. Limited formatting options. KDP has some restrictions on the formatting of ebooks, which may lead to a less professional look for some authors and readers. In Amazon, you don't have full control over book formatting and layout, unlike other self-publishing platforms like CreateSpace. And as a bonus for my subscribers, I have taken my time to find out the solution to these drawbacks to enable you make more sales on Amazon. You will make more sales and solve these problems if you 1. Keep an eye on the algorithm. Keeping track of your book ranking and search terms on Amazon will get you a better understanding of how the algorithm is affecting your book visibility. 2. Diversify your distribution to reach a wider audience and increase potential sales. Authors can distribute their ebooks through other channels in addition to the KDP platform. Some examples include Barnes & Noble's Nook platform, Apple Books, Kobo and so more. 3. Build an email list. Building an email list of readers can be an effective way to promote your books and connect with readers directly. At this point, I want you to like this video, it will encourage me in making more discovering content for you. Number 4. Create a blog or website. Having a website or blog can be an effective way to connect with readers, build a fan base and promote your books. Number 5. Collaborate with other authors. Joining a writing group or collaborating with other authors can be a great way to share ideas and increase visibility. 6. Another important factor to consider is that Amazon doesn't promote books that are exclusive to the Kindle platform, which can be detrimental for authors who wants to reach a broader audience. So using other platforms for promotion helps to increase visibility and attract readers. Authors can use social media, book blogs and other platforms to promote their books. Lastly, if you ever want to make sales on Amazon KDP, you must pay for Amazon ads, and if you can't afford it, you promote your books yourself. Click here to watch my video on how to make money from real estate. This is The Pessimist. See you on the next video, and a subscribe to the channel would be a chapter closing.